Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add Sparkline column in Google Sheets. So let's start it. At first open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show add Sparkline column in Google Sheets. Now select from a raw. Now click for a Marcel option. Now keyboard press from a equal. Now keyboard press from a type Sparkline. Now for select, then select your number. Now for comma, then second bracket and double quotation press. Now type from sort list, sort type. Again double quotation, again comma, again double quotation. Now press from column, again double quotation and second bracket close and first bracket close. Now keyboard press from enter. That's it. Now column, sparkling column. Now for change color, then click for text color option, then choose color. That's it. Then you show add Sparkline column in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.